Okay, hi guys. Today I'm gonna do a talking tutorial since I'm always about like changing and like not talk at all in my tutorials. So here we go. Okay, so this is the exclusive print by A Cup of D, and look at that. Nice, right? Okay, so usually how I would style my tudung, a printed shawl, is actually by looking at the prints. So, okay, the flowers here. Depends on what you want to feature actually. Maybe I want the flower to be like here. So, just gonna pin this at the back. So it looks very clean here. And the flower is here. So I can have another flower here as well. Here's another flower. Alright. It really depends. Sometimes you can just wear anyhow you like it. Depends on what you fancy. But how I like my printed shawls to be is like the top part has to be a bit more clean. If the prints are not like homogeneous prints, okay? If it's like homogeneous prints, then yeah, so be it. You can just use anyhow you like it. But if it's not, then I would like it to have like, oh, you can even do this. Maybe not. Alright, so this print comes in many different colors. We have two more colors for this. There is the mauve color, which looks something like this. Really nice everyday color. It's like a mauve purpley gray color. And there's also a teal color as well. Ta-da! Let me know which one is your favorite.